Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you people how I made this 13x6 frontal. Okay, so my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, so guys, for this frontal making, this is the 13x4 laser I'll be using. Okay, if you look at this lace closely, you notice that it has already marked hairline. Okay, the one I bought have already marked hairline. Look at it. So the first thing I normally do is to first of all ventilate the hairline, guys. The first thing I do is to ventilate the hairline. So this is the hair that I will be using, so I'll just go ahead and cut that small part of the hair from the wefts. Okay, I just cut that small part, then I comb it. I'm doing this to remove the short hairs, guys. I don't need the short hair, I only need the long ones, so that's why I'm combing it out. So you just have to comb it out if you're working with hair to remove the short ones. Then I grab small parts, fold it into two. If you want your closure or your frontal to have length, you want it to be long, what you have to do is just to fold it, making sure that one is kind of longer than the other one. So for this hairline, so I'm just going to be ventilating on the marked line. Okay, I ventilate on a hole, on a line. I skip a line, picking just a strand of hair, guys, just a strand. Okay, for this frontal, from the an inch to where the hairline is marked, I'll be picking just a strand. Then after that 1 inch, from that 1 inch backwards, I'll be picking 2 to 3 strands of hair. So I'm just ventilating on one line and I skip one line. And again, guys, no matter where you choose to start, okay, even if you start, I started at the end, at the edge of the front of the lace. Okay, even if you started from the center, okay, do not leave the center. Maybe you ventilate like 3 lines and then you leave it and come and start again from the other end, maybe one edge, maybe the left or right, coming back to the center. You are going to miss it. Okay, you are going to miss it. So no matter where you choose to start, if you are starting from the center, continue from the center to the left or to the right. Then when you are done, come back to the center again and then ventilate to the other end. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. I keep saying this, I normally say this on my tutorial videos. So guys, now that I'm done with the hairline, the next thing I normally do is to use my pencil to mark a straight line. It doesn't matter where you decide to start, you can mark yours in the center or wherever. So this is where I choose to start. I just marked a line. The reason why I'm doing this because it will serve as a guide for me. Once I get this line, okay, I'm good to go. When you mark the line, make sure it's corresponding with one of the line that you ventilated on the front, that is the front line. If yours is not matching, then what you're going to do is to start a line before the place you mark or a line after the one you marked. Just make sure it's corresponding with one of the lines you ventilated, I mean the front line. Okay, so mine was matching. What I just did is just to start my ventilation, okay, on that line, ventilating on a hole. I skip one hole. So guys, I forgot to say this, I'm using the vertical horizontal pattern for this frontal. In case you don't understand what I mean by horizontal or vertical pattern, I already have a video on that. Just check my channel. Okay, So that's what I'm using for this frontal making. So I'm just ventilating on a hole, I skip a hole, I ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole. The reason why I'm making this video because I receive so much comments, people asking me to make a more detailed video on how they can ventilate their frontal. So all those people that are asking that question, this video is for you. So this is the reason why I'm making this video again, making it more detailed, guys. So now that I'm done ventilating on the line, so what I'm going to do now is to follow the line and ventilate this part. When I'm done, then I'll continue with the rest of the lace. Okay, I'll just follow the line. That's why it's important to mark this line. Okay, it doesn't matter, it doesn't mean you must mark from here. You can still mark from the center, you can still mark from the upside. When I'll be making another video on frontal making, I will show you guys how you can start from the upside. Okay, so following the ventilated line, I just keep ventilate on a line, I skip a line, picking just a strand of hair like I told you, and each to the front. From the front line, I'll be picking just a strand. Then after that inch backwards, I'll be ventilating using 2 to 3 strands. So I'm just ventilating on a line, skipping one line. If you see, it's matching with the first hairline that I vented on. Okay, it's matching. That's why I said make sure that wherever place you marked your line is matching with the front line. If not matching, that means you have to start your ventilation a line before or a line after. This way it's going to match. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, why not consider subscribing? Okay, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can suggest it to others who might be finding it difficult or how to go about with their frontal ventilation. So now that I'm done with this part, what I'm going to be doing now is to continue my ventilation following the line. Okay, following the one I've already ventilated. Remember the first line we made. So let's continue. Ventilate on a line, I skip a line, ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole, picking just a strand for the front side, which is an inch to your front line. Then others you can pick 2 to 3 strands. I mean, from after the inch backwards, you can pick 2 to 3 strands. Guys, if you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, please consider doing that because I have so much for you guys. I make videos on ventilation, braiding, wig making, wig maintenance, hair maintenance, and so more. Okay, consider subscribing. Thank you. And turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you once I drop videos like this. So I'm basically ventilating on a line, I skip a line. Okay, I ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole. And again guys, it's not a must that you must start from down. Like the first frontal tutorial video that I uploaded, someone was asking me, must she start from up? Because I was ventilating from up to down. I said no, you can start from down to up. You can choose to go from down to up as well as you have your guide, which is the reason why you need to mark that line. But this one, I'm ventilating from down to up. I can still choose to go from up to down because it will always correspond, guys, because I have my guide. Okay, I have my guide, so it doesn't matter whether you go from down to up or up to down. As far as you are following the mark guide, guys, it will still come out very nice. Guys, if you don't know how to ventilate at all, I have a very detailed beginners friendly tutorial video, okay, on how to ventilate. Please go ahead and check that out. Okay, then if you don't understand what I mean by vertical or horizontal pattern, please check out my channel. I'll be dropping the links to those videos in the description of this particular one. Okay, so guys, I'm not doing anything different. I'll just continue with the one line, one hole. Okay, one line, one hole. That's exactly what I'm doing. So there is no magic, just continue with your one line, one hole. So guys, I want you to watch to the end of this video because I have a very special update that I want to give you guys. Please continue and watch at the end of this video. If you don't watch at the end of this video, definitely you are going to miss it. Okay, there's a very special secret that I want to share with you guys, so go ahead and watch to the end. So I'm just ventilating on a line, I skip a line, I ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole. That way, remember, I'm picking just a strand from an inch to where my front line is. Then after that inch, from that inch to the back side, I'll be picking 2 to 3 strands of hair. If you have any confusion or you have a question to ask, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, this is the secret I want to share with you guys. Okay, if you want to remove your marked hairline or the one you mark by yourself, there's no point of looking for makeup remover. Okay, just get a sponge, a towel, or whatever. Okay, whatever material, then use water and detergent and then use it and clean it off. It's as easy as that. Okay, very easy. You don't need to start getting makeup remover for this. Just with your sponge, your towel, with water and detergent, you are good to go. Just use it and clean it off. Just the way I'm doing. It's as easy as that. Look at that. Okay, the marked hairline is gone. Please guys, subscribe. Okay, so this is the final beauty. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. Thank you guys for watching, and then see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.